So that Thursday morning after Helene, I filled out the form online. A few days later, I was getting an email from Max Gibbons here at Pisgah Legal welcoming me to the team. Well, everybody that I have encountered so far has been very appreciative. For example, one client came in and I was able to help her pretty quickly file an appeal with FEMA to get coverage for the $750 as a separate household. Well, she left feeling happy. And one of the other Pisgah volunteers came over and says, "What did you do for her? She came in just downtrodden and down in the dumps." And I said, well, I was able to figure out what she needed, and we were able to help her out very quickly. But that's just, one example. Well, let's see, there was Morganton, a couple in Burnsville, Marshall, Spruce Pine, one here in Asheville. Legal aid filled a void there and helped a lot of people with those initial FEMA applications. Last week, I got an email from one client telling me about the progress that she'd been making, and she winds up saying, "You are the best." Well, with clients like that, I can do this for a long time.